is no way I can. But here what I found, this is the rat shit. So your rats in here, they eating on your wires, and that's what happens. You see, like right there, they eat everything. So I'm thinking, since I cannot get all the run replaced, unfortunately we're gonna have to go with the wireless situation, because there is no way I'm gonna get in and drill the hole on the side. No freaking. Oh boy. Cannot replace these wires. I'm going this way, Redlink. First step, huge transformer, 75 VA. Okay. Just in case. Now our wires. That's going on a wall, or maybe just right here. Or better on a wall, so people can see what they're dealing with when they work on it. Now probably unit. Let's do it on a unit. We're gonna leave it here. Let's see if our color goes on easy. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look. Okay, so this is gonna be not the contactor wires, but 24 volts to here, and then contactor is gonna supply from here. I'm going with one set of wires. I pretty much need to bring 24 volt back from this model. So I'm gonna run it. Okay, there. Come on. So yellow is gonna be our 24 volt to the contactor, and white and red is our to power up the model. So this is our hot wire, the yellow one and red one is supply to the control there. So this one going to the control, that's what's gonna switch, and it's gonna give it back to the yellow wire for the contactor. And then neutral, common wire, we need to supply controller to power it up, and plus it was looping through Emerson stuff. It was looping on an old one, was breaking common, so we're going the same way. Now my yellow wire, where's the second end of it? Right there. It's going to the other side of the contactor. That's gonna be 24 volt. Okay, wiring pretty much done. Secure it somehow. Now we need to power up our transformer to 240 volt. It's gonna be orange and white. So these two wires, that's what's going to the contactor, to the constant power of the contactor. Okay, that's how we look in wiring here, all done. Wires that we don't use out of the way. I would replace this capacitor too, but it's not the customer. If it would be my commercial customer, restaurant or something, of course I would swap that capacitor. Residential, people weird. You tell them stuff, they, I don't know, either they don't believe you or something. But okay, we got our model here set up. I broke off the yellow wire. Let me try it again. That's the new one. Okay, straightforward. Here's jumper, RC and R. Thermostat name. Thermostat. System now. Press connect message. Press quickly release. Got 24 volt right away. Okay, it says press connect button. Connect. Let's see if it's gonna connect to a thermostat. No connection. That sucks. Connect again. No connection. Let's read more into it. Okay. Let's go down there. Now press connect. Beautiful. So I went a little bit wrong. Let's move this stuff. Go to thermostat again. Conventional first. One. Yeah. Menu. Control option. Basic options. Per hour 3 cool cycles per hour. Why not? It's okay. 3 minutes. Extended the fan on. Time and cool. Should be on a delay from the thermostat. We set it 3 minutes. So let's see what it's gonna do. It doesn't really show you. It just shows you how it wired for the compressor or boiler. And there is no indicator light. But compressor is on. Okay. That device is going to be installed on the unit itself instead of the wall. This wire is not in use anymore. Okay. So I had to install this model here. I had to adapt this transformer. Now thermostat is running. And the thermostat, because it's a Redlink, it's a little bit different. Thermostat's supposed to have to run the system. Okay, it's going. System. I'll wash the coil as well. That's what I see. Okay, here I think the fan spins very slow, so it shuts off very early.
Sounds good.
That's what it is. Very slow.
This other wings to carry? Yeah. You don't remember the 10-4? I was here for that. What? Yeah. Then be 10-4 would always get confused sometimes. Oh my god, I was here for that.
You can do it. Oil. Lots of oil on the motor.
You think so? Yeah. You get stock or stock?
Okay.
That's all you do.